If you're anything like me and you love to take pen to paper and jot some notes down, keep shopping lists or to-do lists, and display some photos, then this DIY project is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to DIY a felt pin board with a wooden frame. What you'll need for this project: felt pin boards, masonite backing board, pine cover strips, a speed square, measuring tape and a pencil, a jigsaw, wood glue, panel pins and a hammer, sandpaper, a wood stain and a paintbrush, and a sawtooth hanger. The star of this DIY project are these felt pin boards. Look at this, I just love how easy they are modular, you can actually add and subtract as many as you like. So that means you can make a small pin board, you can make a large one, square, rectangular, it's up to you. So it's customizable for your needs and your space. I want to create a large rectangular pin board, so I'm going to use 6 of these. And before I can do any cutting, I have to determine the size. So I'm going to place these, not stick them just yet. I'm just going to place them down, use my tape measure, pencil, and the wooden frame, and determine what we have to work with and what I can cut. Okay, so now the felt pin boards are in position. I like the orientation. I see I have enough masonite backing board. Now I'm going to grab my pine cover strips as the border. So I've left a space here to make room for it because I'm adding a wood frame border just to make it look more stylish. And the reason why I like using pine cover strips is it's an easy material and inexpensive material to work with. And then we can start marking out, and then I can take the masonite board outside along with the pine cover strips and cut them to size. Right, now that everything is cut to size, we can move over to sanding. So I'm using the sander's foam block and just gently sanding the surfaces, the edges and the sides. With the wood pieces now dust-free, we can get to staining and adding color to the wood. I'm using this dark wood stain, and you can apply multiple coats depending on what look you're going for. I'm applying 1 coat to the surface and allowing it to fully dry. The pine pieces are now fully dry, and now we can put it together. So what I'm going to do is use some wood glue, put it on the underside here, place into position, and then secure with panel pins with a hammer. Now it's time for the final step. So these are self-adhesive, so I'm just going to peel that back there and stick these guys one by one onto our backing board. With the project basically complete, all that's left to do is to add a sawtooth hanger to the back and then find a spot to hang our project.
For more DIY solutions, visit Galma in-store or browse online.